got into the band, I eagerly followed the musicians around or watched the parties in the town hall or outdoors. I even asked my friend to walk along the beach. We benched for leads and showed plastic bottles with sand in them or cola cans filled the pebbles. We made no slowly. Little by little, they all got tired of following me around. I knew it was time to try out the real deal. I did a few auditions. The first time was a disaster. I could get my breath and start to cry. I just want to run home, but the leader was very understanding. He fixed an appointment for the following week. He explained how to relax and the breathing techniques. So I practiced everything he taught me. I went around the house making drum noise, bass noise, and piano sound. That helped me out. The next time I had prepared everything, but I did not play well enough because I was still nervous. But not as much as the first one. I told the leader that I need a bit more time. The third time was a completely different story. I enjoyed it. Then, one Saturday morning, I played in front of the whole band and they played. The leader said, "Let's welcome Peter to the band. He deserved his place." I just so happy and I was very proud of myself. They gave me the band's uniform.